It was good, it's your boy Arti creator, and today I'm gonna show you how to upload your filters from sparkar to sparkar app to publish it in Instagram or Facebook. Let's go! For example, here's the project blush from one of my videos. We will be upload this project to sparkar app. What we need to do is upload. Okay, look what we have. Choose your platform, Instagram or Facebook. I using only Instagram. Name our project. Let's call it blush. Select a category. You can choose your category here. I'm gonna use selfies. Keywords. Let's add blush, makeup, beauty. For example, I created a few filters for Blueface, J Balvin, and I'm using their names, their albums, so people can write it and find it in Instagram. So just think about it and create a few keywords that describe your effect the most. Okay, owner, it's me, Instagram account. Here's my Instagram account. Okay, next step, we need to first save this. After we save it, we have to capture video with this effect. So here's the test link. You can copy this and send it to your phone, or you can just send notifications so you can open it right in Instagram. Next thing to do is to open your Instagram, press continue. Wow! Okay, now we have this filter right on my face. Next step, you need to make a video how your filter works, like that.
With some butters, we her savvy when tight jeans was baggy from JFK to LeBron.
You can say something about this filter, like how to use it. You can play a song on the background. It's okay, it now will be blocked, so it's okay. I'm using background music, I'm dancing. It will be better performance for your filter because it's important when people see your preview and you dancing and singing and making funny stuff, or you just sing like that, like, and that's it. So keep it in mind. After you recorded your video, let's upload it. So here's my video, for example, and I just drop it here. You can watch it and choose right preview for this one. This is how this will look on your page. This is preview. Okay, this is how it would be on camera. So here's the icon. sparkar have rules for this one. So you can see guidance here, you can see full policies, but to make your filter icon, you need to have template for this filter icon. I will leave link for that template in the description so you can download it. Okay, here's our effect icons for Instagram template. Okay, download it. Okay, so we downloaded our template, Photoshop, PSD file, drop it. Okay, so we have our template. You can watch what kind of icons people using in Instagram to make your own style of icons. Okay, so let's do something like this. Let's hide these layers, face shape, you can see. Let's do something like that. So I would use my blush right here, for example, like that. Okay, now let's export it, and now just drop it right here, like that. Confirm. Okay, now we have our icon. Next thing is visibility settings, so I'm not gonna use this, so no schedule, but you can set time and date. It's just upon you, so no schedule. Review information, so here I'm just gonna write blush on face with retouch effect, and here's submit. So now it's on review. You can check out status of your filters right here. Click home and you will see insights like impressions, captures, shares for any of your filters. Okay, let's go. When it's totally approved, you can see here like approved. Okay, approved. That's it, you uploaded your filter on sparkar app. But if you don't have any updates on your filter more than 14 business days, just re-upload your filter. When your filter on review, you may have a lot of problems with it. If you have any questions about it, you can ask in the comments below. Living like a legend, man, I feel it. You can check out my videos about how to make makeup filters, how to make blush, how to make freckles, and all this stuff on my channel right here. If you think that information was useful for you, you can smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, please. It was your boy Arti Creator. Peace.